Hey, Bridget Rose, are you out here checking on the garden with your duckies? We've got some radicchio there. Yeah, are you gonna pull one up? I think this might be sweet loaf or sugar loaf. I forget what type of radicchio. Yeah, you're doing a good job there. We just uncovered this. This had a row cover on it and it started to sprout. This was Tokyo Bacana, mostly Tokyo Bacana, and you can see here, after we pulled it up, there's already bees buzzing all over it. So that's what we wanted. We wanted to feed some of those pollinators around us, and that means pulling that cover off, huh, Bridge? But the ducks are out here. The garden's starting to take off. We've got broccoli sprouted. That was fall planted broccoli that we planted it to grow this spring. It's coming together. What are those duckies doing? They were just playing in the pond? They're drying themselves off now, huh? Hey, Bridget, I'd like to introduce you to an interesting concept of pathways. And it just so happens that pathways are where the ducks are walking. Nice job, ducks. Nice job, ducks. Splish and splash, you're doing a good job. And it happens to be that where you're walking is the garden bed. Kind of the opposite of where we try to walk. You should know this, you're a farmer. Unless you're trying to introduce some sort of revolutionary farming practice where we walk on the beds and grow in the pathways. But I don't know about that, huh? Oh, you wanna give me that? Thank you. What does that say? It says Paris Island lettuce that you're walking over. That was fall planted. Hey, ducks. And yes, no, this isn't food. That's a tag, I know. Maybe Bridget will throw you something to eat. There's some old lettuce. If you see any slugs, go after them. No bees though, no bees. Huh. You're just a gardening girl. Are you gonna pull that whole thing up? What'd you find? Well, we just pulled a carrot out of the ground. Bridget Rose loves some carrots. Hey, can I help you? Here, check this. Try eating it from the other end. Like this. Here, there you go. Nope, that's all right. You do you. Hey, what'd you find? Would you like some lettuce? Hey, Bridget, are you sure? Can you say eat more dirt? Eat more dirt? I would say I'm not wearing our Eat More Dirt shirt today. I'm wearing our banana t-shirt, which you can get at plantbasedgabriel.com. And then also, Simple Starchy Staple hat. Find your favorite fruits and vegetables that we grow here in the garden on the website. Premium t-shirts, super comfortable, great fitting. And hey, it lets the world know how much you love those fruits and vegetables. How about it, ducks? Bridget, you're just chowing down on that. Let's see if I found some. I don't. Well, you know what? We can pull a little piece of. You'd like some broccoli? I know you would. Here, let me get you some broccoli real quick. Here you go, Bridget. I found some broccoli for you. You like broccoli? Here, you want to give it a bite? Well, here. I'll set it here so that when you're ready for the broccoli, you go ahead and give it a bite. I'm gonna go ahead and give that carrot a bite. Why don't you try the broccoli? Straight from the garden, what do we think? We think we like it. That good? That carrot was good. You liking that broccoli? Hey, what, am I not paying attention to you? I'll break off a piece of carrot for you. Yeah, here, you can have the carrot back. For some reason, you like eating the top end. All right, ducks. You want a bite of carrot? No? What if I make it move? Woohoo! Or how about, I kind of go like that. You can try it. Hey, you guys need to eat some more dirt too. How about I throw it up? Nope. They're not too good at that yet, Bridget. How's that carrot? What'd you prefer? The carrot or the broccoli? Broccoli or the carrot? Here, you want to put that in your other hand? No? Well, I'm going to eat it then. That is good. All right, Bridget, you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ducks. We'll see you later, Splish and Splash. Bridgie Rose, until next time.